Well, October marks Fire Prevention Month, and it's time to face a startling fact. 3 out of 5 fire deaths occur in homes without working smoke alarms. Tonight, Consumer Reports shows us how protecting your family doesn't have to break the bank. Simon Glinsick and his family were lucky to make it out of their home after a dryer caught fire.
Smoke was like white smoke billowing out of the dry area. It just went so fast. It's just still mind-boggling. It boggles my mind.
Today, many house fires burn faster, hotter, and are deadlier than ever.
40 years ago, you would have had 17 minutes to get out of a house on fire. Today, just 3.
That's because many newer homes have open floor plans with fewer walls and doors, allowing the fire to travel faster and more freely. Another factor?
A lot of homes today have furnishings made with synthetic materials like plastic and particle board, which burn much quicker than, say, solid wood.
So getting an early fire warning and then getting out is more important than ever. This advice from the National Fire Protection Association makes it easy. Install an alarm on each floor, test it at least once a month, and replace it after 10 years. Now, Consumer Reports' exclusive smoke detectors ratings are free, so no membership is required. This dual sensor smoke detector from SimpliSafe received top scores for detecting both flaming and smoldering fires. It's battery operated, which means you won't need a professional to hardwire it. It can also be interconnected, so if one alarm sounds off, the others will follow. This battery-powered smoke detector from Kidde also received top scores for detecting both flaming and smoldering fires. This Citterwell smoke detector from Walmart is another good option and comes with a 10-year battery. We've made accessing the smoke and carbon monoxide alarm ratings easy. We have a link in the As Seen on TV section on KSTK.com.